Imagine you're packing for a trip to the USA. You've got your passport, your tickets, and your suitcase full of excitement. But what about your money? Can you use your YouTrip card in the USA? Today, we're diving into that question and exploring the world of using YouTrip in the land of the free. YouTrip is a popular travel card that offers competitive exchange rates and low transaction fees. It's a great option for travelers looking to save money on their overseas spending. But can you use it in the USA? The short answer, yes. The short answer is yes, you can use your YouTrip card in the USA. However, there are a few things you need to know. Understanding transaction fees. While YouTrip offers low transaction fees, it's important to understand that some merchants in the USA may charge a foreign transaction fee. This is a fee that merchants charge for processing transactions in a foreign currency. So, it's always a good idea to check with the merchant before making a purchase. ATM withdrawals. You can also use your YouTrip card to withdraw cash from ATMs in the USA. However, there may be a foreign transaction fee and an ATM fee charged by the bank operating the ATM. It's a good idea to check with your bank for the exact fees before withdrawing cash. Exchange rates. YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, but it's always a good idea to compare them to other options before making a transaction. This is especially important if you're making large purchases. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using your YouTrip card in the USA. Notify your bank. Before traveling, notify your bank that you'll be using your card in the USA. This will help prevent your card from being blocked due to suspicious activity. Check your balance regularly. It's important to check your balance regularly to ensure you have enough funds to cover your expenses. Keep your card secure. Protect your card from theft or loss by keeping it in a safe place and avoiding using it in crowded or unfamiliar areas. So, can you use your YouTrip card in the USA? Absolutely. With a little planning and understanding of the potential fees, you can enjoy the benefits of using YouTrip on your American adventure. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about using YouTrip in the USA or other countries, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.